Hello guys, welcome back. So in the last video, we learned how to create our very own Python file. In this video, we are going to explore some built-in Python function. The one built-in Python function we're going to explore today is called the print statement. So the print statement is basically a statement that tells Python to show something to us from the console. So this is how it works. First, you're going to write print. Remember to have it all lowercase because Python is a case sensitive language. Next, you put in brackets. This is very important for almost every single built-in function. Then you want to add a sentence. Let's say, hi, my name is Agnesh Jha. So, an important thing to note is I'm putting this in quotation marks. When I put it in quotation marks, I tell Python that this is a sentence or it is a text. So if we run it, I should see hi, my name is Agnesh Nikhil. See, it shows hi, my name is Agnesh Nikhil. Great, it works. Now we can also do other things with print statements. Let's say I put in print and I don't put in the quotation marks, but I put in 5. It should still print out 5. But now 5 is not known as a text. So I can do 5 plus 7. It should give me 12. So let me print it out. And when I print it out, it says 12. This is because I don't use quotation marks. When I use quotation marks, I'm telling Python that whatever is in the quotation marks is text. So Python will not do the calculation for me. It won't do the 5 plus 7 for me. But if I don't have it in quotation marks, then it will. So that's how print statement works. Another important thing to know in print statements is this function, where if you write print and in quotation marks, you put a slash n, then it would make a new line for you. So let's say I put this below the slash n, then this slash n will make an empty line. Let's run this and see. Like I said, the slash n made an empty line. Great. So now we know about Great. So now we know about print functions. So in the next lesson, we will be learning about variables. Stay tuned for that.